What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here and we can see here quite clearly that it does look as though it's forming up pretty damn bullish right now. Obviously we've got this overall massive potential pennant that we've been looking at, something like this, which does look as though it may be getting broken out of right now. Obviously it remains to be seen, but from what we can tell, we've been forming some kind of huge pennant like this that we have been talking about for a little while that could be coming to fruition here. And obviously if that's the case, as you can see here, let me just zoom in on this so you can see a bit better what we're talking about. Could be looking at potentially a huge pennant looking something like this, obviously high, low to high, and then back down, making a higher high, but making a higher low, but a lower high, higher low. And then obviously you can see here, we might potentially here be breaking out of this huge pennant. And if that's the case, obviously things are going to be looking super bullish, aren't they? You can see here, we're also forming a bit of a nice bit of ascending channel here, looking something like this, where you can see the price action is slowly making its way to the upside here after that bearish period of September. We obviously had that ABC correction with that overextension that we saw for pretty much all cryptocurrencies. We got the bullish divergence and then the bounce off the bottom. And currently trading at around a price of 162 here. Polygon looking pretty damn good in our opinion. Let's just get rid of some of these lines so we can see a bit better what's going on. But overall, that pennant does look as though it could be coming to fruition. You can see obviously here these descending wedges that we've been seeing. And if we pull the Fibonacci on, you can see quite clearly as well. We have cleanly broken out of the 618 here after coming up, breaking the 050, consolidating in some kind of pennant here as well. We're getting the breakout and potentially the retest here on the daily of the 618. And if we do start to break out of this, we obviously have our next Fibonacci target of the 078 here coming up to around that, what is that, that $1.95 to $2 area. Obviously a big psychological resistance as well. You can see back here, this area was a very strong resistance back in the days when we were above $2. And you can see, we're obviously on the way back to there now. We've had that bearish September, but obviously, there was a lot of FUD, a lot of nonsense in the market, all kinds of different things going on. But in reality, things were nowhere near as bad as people were making out. And, typically in financial markets, Septembers are usually bearish anyway. But then we had Bitcoin going to all-time highs quite recently, a lot of altcoins pumping, and now it looks as though Polygon is forming up for a nice little move here, potentially with an ascending triangle as well, looking something like this. And then obviously if that has a breakout target, we are looking at potentially coming up to that next fib target, pretty much bang on the money, as you can see there. If we break out of this, we are looking for that 078 as a target. So overall, Polygon looking really good in our opinion on a macro scale, potentially breaking out of this big pennant that we're looking at like this. And if that's the case, obviously we've got a massive target going well up into the $4 or $5 area, up to some of these higher fib targets. So overall, we do think Polygon looking really strong. On our hourly time frame, you can see here this ascending triangle basically coming into play here. And with the price, sitting at about fair value on the RSI, you could probably expect a good push to the upside could be possible here, heading up to some of these peaks that we're looking for, at least up to this 180 level, and then maybe upwards towards that $2 level as well, which is the 078. So doing short-term price predictions then, I mean, just a reminder of how ridiculous this chart is, by the way. Look how ridiculous this chart is. Just a quick reminder then of short-term price predictions. If we break down here, we've obviously got some decent support here down at around that 145 to 150 area where you'd expect to bounce with our EMAs as well. But things looking super bullish, heading to the upside. Obviously, if we break out of here, we have got that target at 180 and that target at $2. And then, as we keep saying, and we will continue to say, we do really strongly think that Polygon could be heading up towards that $5 to $10 area by the end of the bull run. That's only a 2 to 4x from the all-time high, which is extremely likely in our opinion. And this is a top quality project that is probably going to get there. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, Please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.